Welcome back to Tech Pulse. For years, everyone just assumed the RX 100 line was gone for good. Smartphones kept getting better every single year. More lenses, smarter software, instant sharing, and it genuinely looked like compact cameras had lost that fight completely. If you're excited about a real compact camera comeback, do me a favor and hit like and subscribe before we get into it. It genuinely helps this channel keep covering leaks like this one. But here's the thing serious creators always knew. A phone lens is physically tiny. A phone sensor can only pull in so much real light. And software can only fake its way so far before the cracks show up on a big screen. Heavy compression, aggressive sharpening, that unnatural smoothed-out noise reduction look. That's exactly why a lot of high-end creators never actually gave up their older RX 100 cameras. Which leads nicely into where we are right now, because that silence is officially broken. The Sony RX100 VIII is making real headlines again. Industry insiders are talking, supply chain leaks are pointing to an actual release, and if these early reports hold up, we're not looking at some small incremental refresh here. This is shaping up to be the biggest hardware jump the RX 100 family has ever seen. Here's where things get interesting, starting with the sensor, because a sensor is never just a line on a spec sheet, it's the entire engine behind how your footage actually feels. Leaks point to a brand new stacked CMOS sensor design inside the RX 100 VIII. And if that holds up, the gap between compact cameras and full-sized mirrorless setups could shrink in a massive way. In real terms, that means shooting inside a dim coffee shop, on a city street at night, or straight into a sunset and still getting clean shadows, natural color, and grain that looks more like film than digital noise. Moving on to dynamic range, because this is where compact cameras have always struggled outdoors. Normally you're stuck choosing between a properly exposed sky or a properly exposed subject. A modern sensor like this is expected to capture both extremes at once, giving you real recovery room in post without blowing out the clouds or crushing your subject's skin tones. Now pair that sensor with a much faster processing engine, because raw sensor quality means very little if the processor can't keep up. Leaks suggest this new engine handles data fast enough to virtually eliminate rolling shutter, so fast pans stay straight instead of turning into that jello-like wobble older compact cameras were known for. That same speed boost is expected to carry over to burst shooting too, letting the camera fire off frame after frame without filling up the buffer and locking you out. Here's where things get really interesting for solo creators, specifically autofocus. Sony's flagship alpha tracking tech is reportedly making its way into this compact body, and leaks suggest it goes well beyond just faces and eyes. We're talking recognition for animals, birds, vehicles, trains, and even airplanes, with the system remembering your subject even if they turn away, walk behind something, or throw on sunglasses. For anyone shooting solo, that's a genuinely big deal. You set it, forget it, and focus entirely on your shot instead of babysitting the frame. And finally, video. The headline rumor everyone's talking about is internal 4K recording at 120 frames per second, full resolution, no drop to 1080p just to get your slow motion. That kind of spec inside something this small could make casual B-roll look like it came off a proper cinema rig. On top of that, refined color science is expected to fix the slightly yellow or greenish skin tones older RX 100 models sometimes produced, giving you natural, accurate color straight out of the camera. So tell me, if even half of this turns out to be real, is the RX 100 VIII enough to get you carrying a dedicated camera again? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed to Tech Pulse with notifications on so you don't miss it the moment this gets confirmed. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.